Hi, have you ever wondered what these three compartments in your front loading washing machine drawer are for? Okay, let's clear up any confusion you may have. First, let's take a look at all three compartments. Now, typically, they can be labelled 1, 2 and a flower symbol. But what if your machine doesn't have these? Don't worry, here's how to identify them. The largest compartment is the first main wash detergent. Now, this is where you add the bulk of your detergent for the main washing cycle. Now, the smaller compartment is your pre-wash detergent. Now, you use this if you're doing a pre-wash cycle for those heavy sore clothes, like muddy clothes for soccer, for example. It helps to loosen up the dirt before the main wash. Now, the compartment with a grid or marked in a different colour is your fabric softener. Now, you add the fabric softener here, but be careful not to overfill it. Now, the grid helps you avoid adding too much. Using the correct compartment for each product ensures your washing machine operates efficiently and your clothes are cleaned effectively. But did you know there are alternatives to using the drawer? Now, washing pods are extremely popular. They are pre-measured, easy to use, and you simply toss 1 or 2 into the drum and then load in your clothes. They dissolve during the wash and releasing detergent just at the right time. Now, another alternative is using liquid detergent using a dosing bowl. Fill the bowl with the recommended amount of detergent and place it directly into the drum on top of your clothes. Now, for more laundry tips, you can download my free laundry guide in the description page below. Or if you prefer, watch one of the 2 videos right here. And don't forget to give this video a like.